video, I will be bringing you guys a Micas haul. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a Micas clothing haul. So I actually did a Micas haul last year. It is still down on my channel, and I have since bought a few pieces from them. Always love everything that I receive, so they have sent me quite a few items that I'll be trying on for you guys and giving you my honest review. So far, I really love Micas. They are on with the trends. Everything is good quality clothing and it's very affordable prices. So everything that I have on this haul will be in a size small or a medium, and I will sure to have the details in my description box as well as here on the screen. So if you guys have any questions about Micas in general or anything in general, please don't forget to leave it in the comments down below. If you do decide to check Micas out, don't forget to use my code NOCIE12, that is NOC12, to get some money off. So please check them out and stay tuned for the video. The first dress that we have is, oh my gosh, it is so soft. So this is the first dress. It has like a ruching right here on the side. It's really pretty. It's a maxi dress, and I believe I got this in a size medium. Yep, I got this one in a size medium. It's very soft and it's a maxi. Oh, it has a split in the back, and it has a split right here. I don't know if it's in the back on the side.
Baby, now your love it, they ginger me. You they give me the love and the energy, but it high me like Hennessy. Baby, now your love it, they ginger me. You they give me the love and the energy, where they high me like Hennessy. You don't need no other body.
The second dress is this popcorn dress. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I got this long maxi popcorn dress in the color black. I have this one in long sleeves, but I also have a short sleeve green one, which is short. So this is what the dress looks. I feel like with most of these items, they look better on rather than me just showing you guys like this. So the try-on portion would definitely be much better. And of course, as you can see, the sides are a little bit too sexy, and we love that. I feel like it's like both elegant, and it's like a mixture of elegant and sexy, if you get what I mean. But this dress with a nice pair of long black heels.
Baby, let me love you, love you, love. Girl, I just want to you don't need no other body. Baby, let me love you, love you, love you. I got you wanna know. Yeah.
I also have this black and white one arm sexy as hell dress with a split that goes all the way up to my thighs, which is a little bit risky, but it is super cute, which I've already worn, by the way. Again, I feel like these will look so much better on the try-on portion, because at the moment it's like, what am I really showing you? But this is what the dress looks like. It is so pretty. I feel like you can dress it up and down. Like you can wear it with a heel, or you can wear it with a pair of black or white sneakers. That would be really cute. Like for a little brunch with the girls, date out.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. passion. Nothing is ever real.
I also have the sleeveless popcorn dress, which is shorter than the black one. It is really pretty. It also has the open sides. I can't wait. I mean, I can't even talk. I can't wait to try this on, and I can't wait to wear it out. Like, it is so pretty.
Baby, now your love is the ginger me. You they give me the love and the energy. But it high me like Hennessy. Baby, now your love is the ginger me. You they give me the love and the energy. With the honey like Hennessy. You don't need no other body. Baby, let me love you, love you, love. Then I just want to make me come body.
The next dress, I think it's a Maxi. I think it's a black Maxi dress, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, it is so soft. I feel like everything is like buttery soft. So this is like a spaghetti strap Maxi dress. The cotton material is so soft, and I heard this is like a Skims dupe or something. And I think I got this in a size medium.
I wish I could call you up, miss how you put your love on me.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion.
We also got pants, which I thought was so cute, like the design of these pants, especially for the summer where you don't want to be walking outside with jeans because it's so hot. I have these kind of like satin material pants, like, and they're really tall. I mean, they're really long, so I feel like they're really tall girl friendly. Unfortunately, I'm not a tall girl, but I'm gonna make these work, and I feel like they'll go with so many things. And I think they got pockets. Ooh, yep, they got pockets. And this is the material. It is so soft, and they match my nails, so
Nothing is ever real, yeah. Take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah. If you can, take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah.
So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below and do subscribe to my channel. I know I've been gone for so long in my channel, but life has been going on. But I am making my comeback on YouTube, and I'll be very happy to be producing new content for you guys. So if you have any ideas of videos that you'd like to see on my channel, leave it in the comments down below, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.